How to use reported speech in English. What is reported speech? Reported speech is also called indirect speech, is when we repeat what someone else has said, but not using their exact words. Instead, we adjust the sentence to fit grammatically. Direct speech. I'm going to the cinema tonight. Reported speech. She said that she was going to the cinema that night. How to form reported speech. Reporting verbs. Common verbs. Say, tell, ask, explain, complain, suggest, promise. In this grammar chart we can find different examples where you can easily understand how to use the reported speech in English.
I like hamburgers.
She said she liked hamburgers.
I am walking the dog.
He said he was walking the dog.
We went to the beach last summer.
Yeah. It was awesome.
She said they had gone to the beach last summer.
I will visit Egypt next year.
He said he would visit Egypt next year. Thanks for watching. Practice reported speech to improve your English fluency.